Welcome to Bike Shift. Today's video explores the all-new 2026 Suzuki Intruder, a modern cruiser designed to bring premium comfort, bold styling, and refined performance into the next generation.
The Intruder has always been known for its urban cruiser personality, and the 2026 model pushes that identity further with upgraded design, advanced features, and a smoother riding experience.
Let's dive into the complete details.
The 2026 Suzuki Intruder showcases a refreshed design with sharper curves, a wider stance, and a more muscular fuel tank.
Its front fascia receives a redesigned LED headlamp that enhances its aggressive cruiser look.
The extended body panels and stretched out lines maintain the Intruder's signature presence while adding a modern touch. The new dual-tone finish gives the bike a premium appearance, making it stand out as a stylish city cruiser. At the heart of the 2026 Intruder is a refined 160 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency.
Suzuki has optimized the engine for better low-end torque, ensuring effortless rides in city traffic and comfortable cruising on open roads. The engine is BS7 ready, offering cleaner emissions and quieter performance. With improved vibration control and a smoother power delivery, riders can expect a more polished and confident ride. The Intruder has always been known for its comfort, and Suzuki doubles down on that reputation with the new model. The 2026 version features a wider seat, improved cushioning, and relaxed foot placement for long-distance comfort. The handlebar is positioned to reduce shoulder strain, while the suspension setup has been refined to absorb bumps more effectively. These updates make the new Intruder a practical cruiser for both daily commuting and weekend rides. Suzuki has equipped the 2026 Intruder with modern features to match its premium feel. The fully digital instrument cluster now offers improved brightness and clearer readouts under direct sunlight. The bike also comes with LED indicators, a USB charging port, and optional Bluetooth connectivity for basic ride information. Safety is enhanced with single-channel ABS, wider tires, and improved braking performance, providing stable control in all conditions. Despite its cruiser styling, the Intruder remains fuel efficient. The refined 160 cubic centimeters engine promises impressive mileage, making it suitable for budget-conscious riders who want comfort without sacrificing efficiency. The low seat height and manageable weight make it easy to handle in crowded city streets. Whether for short trips or longer rides, the 2026 Intruder offers a practical balance of comfort, style, and performance. The 2026 Suzuki Intruder is expected to launch with two variants, Standard and Bluetooth Edition.
Suzuki aims to keep the pricing competitive while offering a premium feel. Riders looking for a cruiser with modern features and an eye-catching design will find the 2026 Intruder a strong option in the mid-range segment.
The 2026 Suzuki Intruder represents Suzuki's commitment to blending comfort, modern design, and refined performance.
With its new styling, enhanced engine, advanced features, and cruiser-friendly ergonomics, it stands out as a compelling choice for riders who want both presence and practicality.
Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more detailed reviews and upcoming motorcycle UPDA.